Physical Science 102, Course Syllabus Fall 2021. The course number is PHY102. The section is 01. The course title is Physical Science 2. The course call number is 70610. The class time is to be added. The class location is VM Chamber Hall and also online via Blackboard. The instructional mode is traditional hybrid. The official textbook is K.B. Krakow and A. Beiser, The Physical Universe, the 16th edition, and several ISBN numbers are published here. You can get the book, whichever one of these. There's also newer editions of the book that you may use. The instructor for the course is Dr. Matthew E. Edwards, that is me. The office is at 145 VM Chamber Hall, and my lab is 025 VM Chamber. The office hours are to be added, and my email addresses are listed here. Please use them as needed, and telephone numbers are listed there as well. The course description is, the course will covers basic chemistry, earth science, and space science. We will start with basic chemistry initially, and basic chemistry will take up the bulk of the course. Okay, pause for a moment while I change the screen. Student learning outcomes. Students will gain basic knowledge in the topics of periodic table, crystals, ions, solutions, chemical reactions, the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, earth materials, the changing crust, the earth, and the sky, the solar system, the stars, and the structure and evolution of the universe. Students will also have an understanding of physical processes, the universe, and build awareness of how science influences daily life. Class format, traditional hybrid. As traditional hybrid course, the main teaching style will be face-to-face instruction once a week with online lessons given for the other days of the week for further enhancement to the student via specific online videos. There are several videos will be a part of the course, and I'll tell you when you are to consider each. Additionally, homework assignments and review of the same will be implemented face-to-face or online as specified by the instructor at the time of giving the assignments. The online portion of the class will stay in step with the face-to-face instructions. Through having an open mind for receiving and sharing knowledge and willingness to learn, the students will show and explain how to reach a given solution by recording intermediate steps in a set of calculations, or describe your answer logically in words. Simply listing or guessing an answer via multiple choice questions is not acceptable. Additionally, homework assignments, where each assignment is to be submitted as a separate document or due on the specified dates indicated. Keep homework assignments separated from each other and submit each separately as a single document. You should take tests on the scheduled dates. You should have your own inexpensive calculator other than a cell phone calculator. Let me change the screen again. And hold on. Coming up next. The dress code is as follows. It's listed later in this syllabus. And the code of conduct is implemented as per the student handbook. And there is an insert also in this syllabus at the end of the syllabus. Course outcomes. services for persons with disabilities. The university provides environmental and programmatic access for persons with documented disabilities as defined in Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act of 1973 and then the Americans with Disability Act of 1990. Any student who desires information or assistance in arranging needed services for a disabling condition should contact the Director of Special Student Service. The phone number is listed here. A student is permitted one unexcused absence for each credit hour generated by the class. For example, 3 absentees are allowed in a 3 credit hour class, such as this class. And there is a tutorial assistance, and it is for undergraduate courses can be obtained from the Tutorial Assistant Network called TAN, a subsidiary of the Office of Academic Support Service. And TAN is located in Buchanan Hall. The phone number is listed there. Now on to the grade determination. Students having at least the 94 exam average on exams 1, 2, and 3, or 1 through 3, will be exempted from the final exam with the grade A awarded for the course. So that's a good thing. Now, the grade distribution, attendance and class participation counts 10 points. That's very important to me. Homework assignments count 15 points. That's also very important to me. And there are 3 examinations, and each count 15 points for a total of 45. And the final examination is scheduled to count 30 points. That's a total of 100 points. Pause again for me changing the slide, changing the screen. Now, and the grading scale, 90 to 100 is an A, 80 to 90 a B, 70 to 80 a C, 60 to 80 a D, and less than 60 an F. Now, the course outline listed here, week 1 through 16, and we will start week 1 with chapter 10 of the book that's listed above, and that is a review of basic chemistry. The first assignment happens to be called the 0th assignment. Is a handout, and I will provide that sheet to you during the face-to-face portion of class. And I will also put a portion of it on Blackboard content so you can get it there. And now the first multiple choice assignment from the textbook, all odd questions 1 through 40. And I will put these questions also on Blackboard so you can go there and get them if you don't have your textbook. And the first exercise assignment is exercise questions 1 through 10, and that too will be on Blackboard. The second exercise assignment is listed there, question 41, 44, 45, 49, 52, and 53. So notice that there are 4 assignments here, 0, 1 multiple choice, 1 exercise, and 2 exercise. Each one is a separate assignment, so you turn each one in as a separate document. Okay. And now, so week 2, we continue with chapter 10, which 3 is more of chapter 10, and then we go on to chapter 11, and then we continue on to the end of the course. So you see everything is there. And week 16, we will have the final examination, if not before, and that takes me to it. So I expect you to read this portion here, which is the standard information that's on all syllabus, university classroom code of conduct. I expect you to conduct yourself in an appropriate manner. I will provide appropriate respect to you, and I expect you to reciprocate with respect to your peers and respect to me as your teacher. And so that's how things will occur. I expect you also to adhere to the dress code of the university, which is inserted here for your convenience. That takes me to the end of this, okay? Have a good day.